Hi, this is Randy 101 here, and I am Fudge. I'm Fudge. And this is a show I like to call Fudge. I know, it's cool, I know. Thank you very much for saying it's cool. First, we're gonna, I don't know what to do. I'm gonna show you my sword skills. Here's my fingerboardings. Here's my fingerboardings. Fingerboard. I'm for that little berry. Skateboard, yay. A BMX bike. I'm gonna spin around there and spin. Yeah. I don't know what to do. A monster. Let's go. Help me beat him up. Ow. Oh, my knuckles. Whoopsies. Randy has a lot of cool stuff. I wonder what this does. Barrel. That's his Nerf ammo. You should see his grandma's. Yeah. I got 2 clips, 2 clears. Mighty beans around the scenes, mighty beans. This is a show that I like to call you Fudge. Fudge. X Games. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Maverick. Wait, I already did that one. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Reflex IX 1. Oh crap, you already reviewed it. Ooh, is this a grenade? I wonder if it is. Oh! Ouch! Yeah, that's what I think about grabbing. I'm on there talking about weird things. Weird. Yeah, things. Yeah. Tag decks. Collect deck. Yeah, Fudge. I'm gonna try to make some baskets. One hand. You guys getting this? Sorry if I made. Ow! Max strike. I don't need the max. Oh yeah, I forgot to put that in our inventory. Sorry. A grenade. Ouch! Grenades can hurt me. Ooh, a laser. Here's my laser. Ooh. I wonder if you got it in your eye. Eye. That's a laser. Can you guys see what's inside? I'll turn it on. Let's push this up some more. See this now? See it now? Ow, my eye! I think I went blind. Back to baskets. Well, that's an episode of Fudge. Stay tuned for more episodes. And rate, comment, and subscribe, please.